And we're gonna do it live. Well, once I disconnect this, it's not gonna be so much alive because the lights is gonna turn off. So we don't turn shit off here, man. We just do shit here like fucking grown-ups. You know, a little sappy, get your hair fucking straightened. So it's the way I look at it. This job is for grown men with big huevos. If you don't have huevos, you can order those too. You can get that at the near grocery store. Real simple. You got 2 screws right here. Take that off. In this room, be having this problem for a while, and nobody wants to be a hero. And I'm the only monkey around here that just do shit, I guess. So finally got a sucker to record for me, and she's doing a good job. All right, well, that do feel good. So anyway, I'm talking all that shit. And why you wearing gloves then if you so much of the fucking big huevos, right? Yeah, sucker. Because I ain't Michael Jackson. I don't have his fucking health insurance. All right. So once you take the screw off, just like so. Take this off like so. Move it forward. You can see it's live. I touched it. I'm not dying yet. And we got black, neutral, and you got your neutral, and then you got the hotline, just like so. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get the GFI right here and get it ready for it. Don't be scared. This is nothing to it. Always get the same GFI if you don't know how to do this kind of shit, because it's always good to get something that you had already. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the neutral first. Oh fuck it, let's take the hotline. Right here, the black one right here. We're gonna take that off. Just like that. And like I said, I did not turn this off. This is live. By the time I sit there, go to circuit breaker, trying to find which one it is, it's gonna take me even longer. Yeah, like that. And tight this sucker right here. Another time, that'll do. Just like that. Take the other hotline right here. And just mash it up. It's real simple. Anybody can do this. Even a dumbass can do this. Alright? So go ahead and put it in there. Put it all the way. Just like so. Tie the sucker right up. Then turn it around. Okay? And we're gonna take this right here. This is the neutral. How I learned how to do this? I watched my grandfather do it. That's how I fucking learned. You gotta watch the old man. The old man knows this shit. You know? You stick it right in there. And then you can see how long it takes to get this done. It's gonna be as long as the damn video is gonna last. Okay, get my... There, it's moving. And if you get yourself one of those fancy pair of gloves, you can touch the wires and it will not get electrocuted. You can find these gloves at Amazon. I think I paid like $23, $24. And again, because this is a hotel and we run electric here. We don't even have switches. Lights run 24/7, and sometimes you gotta do this live. And why not? Why not do it live? Just like that. I don't think I make any contact there. Yes, I did. Yeah, just like that. switch and it's done. So now right now we're just gonna reset it. You can see it turns the light on, and pretty much that's pretty much it. You can see you got the hotline, and you definitely want to put that ground on it. Okay, so you got your neutral and your hotline on each side. It's crucial you put this the correct way, because you will find out if you got the prompts put in on the GFI, it will not turn on. So if it doesn't turn on and it give you a yellow light, that means that you got the friggin' wires put backwards. So you want to make sure that this puppy right here is marking green. So once you get that puppy right here marking green, and that means it's good. So again, don't be scared. 110 is just gonna make love to you. It's gonna make love to you. You're gonna love it. Once you get hit you so good, you wanna wish you get fucking hit like this all the time. So no, I'm just kidding. Be careful, because this will kill you, especially if you got your hands wet. We can put you in the hospital. Okay, so make sure everything is tight. What I like to do is make sure that there's no exposed wire, because if you push that and you make contact with another wire, or this make contact with a wall, you're gonna screw shit up. So make sure when you put this back on, and put your gloves back on. But again, like I told you, I'm doing this live, and when you're doing this live, it could be dangerous for you. You can see, you're gonna have to wiggle that shit in there. If you're blind, it's good to put your glasses on. Like me, I'm always doing shit. I need to wear my glasses, but I won't, because I'm too lazy to go downstairs and walk 500 freaking feet to go find my glasses. And what happened is that when you're blind, you can't find the hole. You keep finding the hole, and you're gonna have a problem. You know what I'm saying? I find a hole all the time, but you know, I'm not talking about that hole. There's a lot of holes in Vegas. This place is full of holes. I mean, we're talking about the fucking electrical outlet. Anyhow, so now what we're gonna do is go ahead and tie this puppy back on. Put it straight. I hate motherfuckers who put an electrical outlet and they fucking put it sideways. It's bullshit. So always put it straight, and that's the way you want to be, just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and throw this beautiful plate on front of it, and that's it. And like I say in my previous videos, if you are a new beginner to maintenance, videos like this can be helpful for you. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, because I always be posting videos like this, show people how to do shit. That way you learn. And if you like my videos, please give me a like. And I'm almost done. This screw right here, can't find the groove, but I don't really got a lot of patience, so there we go. And that's what it looks like. GFI switch, turn them out like that. Let's say if you walk in the bathroom and the lights turn off, it could be one of the main things that happen is when somebody's drying their hair and they're using a hair dryer, this right here will draw too much power and will turn off. You're gonna see that it's gonna be a yellow light. Just go ahead and turn it, reset it. And this GFI, the problem with this GFI was once you reset it and the light turns on, it will be on for like maybe not even 4 minutes, and it was switched and it will turn off. And this is just a defective GFI. So that's how you do a GFI.
Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Damn!